Hi, this is Jeff from goSmart Lighting. This is a short video to introduce to you the Smart Gateway device. Remember, this gateway is only required if you plan to use your app to control the lights in addition to a remote control. So if you just are quite happy to use the remote control, that's fine. You do not need a gateway. But if you decide that yes, you want to do some advanced functions, you want to control lights with your app and create scenes and schedules, and you want to use Alexa to control your lighting in your house, you're going to need a gateway. This is a gateway which is at the interface between your smart lighting's secure network and the internet. Okay, so that's the gateway. It's a very simple device. There's really nothing to do but to plug in a few cables, Ethernet on this side to your spare Ethernet port on your Wi-Fi router, and also a USB port there to give the device some power. Okay, so it's very simple. We'll connect it now. Here is a Ethernet cable. Looks just like that. Okay, and that's plugged in. And then on this side is a miniature USB in there. So you got the two things plugged in. Okay, so I always suggest that you plug this one in first before powering it up, and make sure that you can access the internet from your Wi-Fi router at home. Plug this into either the supplied 240 volt adapter and plug it into a power point, or plug this into a USB port on your router if you've got one. Okay. Once you do that, the lights will flash, and then after about 10 to 15 seconds, they should go solid. Okay, so you'd have two lights on permanently, not flashing. Okay, if they continue to flash, it means either you have not connected the Ethernet cable, or for some reason your router is not accessing the internet correctly and the device can't see the ECO1 server. So when the lights are solid on, it means that yes, it has communicated over the internet to the ECO1 server, and you're ready to download the app and start using the app. I hope that's clear. See you next time.